Good morning, sunshine. I am back with a brand new natural hair DIY shampoo video. This is the shampoo that I am so excited about. Yes, because I did a whole lot of research like crazy. Test out different products to see which one of these products that was going to get the job done. And this one, it did. So this gentle cleansing shampoo is not just amazing on the scalp, it also promotes healthy hair growth, and it also removes dandruff on the scalp. This shampoo will keep your money in your pocket. So first ingredients that I'm using is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel promotes healthy hair growth. It also cleans the scalp. This is kind of like an aloe vera gel shampoo, but I decided to add a few other stuff into this shampoo. So the first ingredient is aloe vera gel. The second one is celery. Celery helps with bald spot on the hair. Yes, celery is very amazing for regrowing your hair back. And rosemary. We all know rosemary is famous for a peppermint strong scent, and it promotes healthy hair growth too. I already do have a video on this channel, me making aloe vera gel, so I am not going to be making it again. The link going to be in the description of this video. All right, let's talk about flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel has an amazing moisturizing property. That's why I decided to add 1/4 of a cup of flaxseed gel into this DIY, adding in 2 teaspoons of biotin oil, and I am also going to be using the Dr. Brothers pure castor soap. That's what I'm going to be adding into this DIY to make it more foamy. Yes, guys. And speaking of flaxseeds, I got a flaxseed gel video on the channel also, and rosemary also. The measurement gonna be in the description of this video. Blend it and screen it. I don't want nothing sticking in my kinks, as I always say in my videos. My hair, guys. First, I'm going to spray some water on my hair. Always make sure to rinse your hair for about 30 minutes with warm water before shampooing it. I didn't want it to go in the shower, so I just sit out of the shower and spray a little bit of water on my hair on camera. Then after I was done doing that, I went in the shower and rinsed my hair well before coming back on camera and applying this shampoo. Massage my scalp gently with my massage brush, and I rinse out the shampoo. Rinse the shampoo out well. You don't want dandruff on your scalp. Yes, if you don't rinse out your product well, especially the rinse out product, it always causes itching, and itching lead to dandruff. So rinse out your product well. I would also recommend, after you rinse out this product, I usually don't go in with another product because this particular product is really gentle enough as a daily shampoo. If you have a buildup, this particular shampoo is not going to get rid of the buildup instantly. I would recommend you use a clarifying shampoo if you do have a buildup. This particular gentle shampoo, you use it daily. After you use it for about 3 days, then it might remove the buildup. This method is definitely going to help your shampoo penetrate the head shaft. And since this shampoo is gentle, so I'm not going to use a rinse out conditioner or deep conditioner. I'm just going to go in with my biotin oil, massage it on my scalp, and work my way to my ends. And the next day I style my hair. I will see you in my next video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Bye bye.